Good morning. The box you see is autorefractometer Shin nippon model Autoref R-800. The person now standing beside will practically show you the opening of the machine. Please. The outer box has been removed. Now the inner box is being opened. The accessories like the manual, the cover, the box containing model I is set aside. All set aside. Now again the final box is being just lifted so easily. The cover is being uncovered, and the autorefractometer has to be carefully lifted by holding from the bottom of the machine. Just watch the position of lifting. Left hand holds the machine that way from under the chin rest, and the right hand to the bottom of the machine. This box contains the accessories that is supplied along with the machine. The first is the power cord, the model I to check the accuracy of the machine at any point of time. There are two print rolls used in the machine that contains the chin rest papers and the pin rest. There are two spare fuses. That is the pin. This is the manual supplied along with the machine. This book contains the details about the machine, like dismantling of the box, unpacking and assembly of the machine. Everything are explained in detail in this book. Those two, that is the dust cover, which is exclusive for this machine, and it must be mandatorily used at all times. Once it is removed from the main box, this is how the machine looks before the final installation takes place. The final packing material has to be removed from the machine. This is the buffer cover, which is protective of the chin rest from the machine. And the next one is that those small cotton sheets that protect the left-right movement of the machine, main machine. Now the thermocol is to be removed. These are all basically for arresting the machine in transportation to provide safety to the machine. The safety knob, which arrests the left and right movement of the machine, is also being unlocked. Now our person is going to show you the point where the power cord has to be fixed. On-off switch of the machine is being pointed. This is the cable used to transfer the data from the machine to the system. Now the first part of the machine is the joystick. The person is holding on it. This is controls the unidirectional movement of the machine for focusing of the patient. Next is the monitor. The monitor is tiltable to the left and then up and down. You can set the monitor as it suits the doctor's comfort levels. The last part is the chin rest. Chin rest, that's where that controls the chin rest on which the chin is rested. So it can be moved up and down for the patient to view the figure inside the machine. Now the print roll installation is being explained. The knob the person is pointing, once he presses it, that window will open. Once the window is opened, that print roll knob is also being removed. Print roll, yeah. Now the print roll knob takes the print roll. This is how it is explained. Again, it is placed inside the chamber, exactly in the same position. It is pressed back and the print roll is installed. Once the machine is switched on, it takes a couple of minutes for the monitor to glow. Once the monitor is ready, the actual process of focusing will start. When the power is turned on, the screen appears as you see on the LCD monitor, which is ready for the measurement. Now, the important features of this machine are being shown one after another. The first one is clear. The data, anything on the monitor will be cleared once you press the clear switch. The next one is the IOL mode. You can choose the IOL mode as you desire. The next step is refraction. And the fourth one is setup. The fifth one is print mode. That's the main functions of the machine. For the setting up of the screen, we are going to explain as it is mentioned in the book. For the spherical and cylindrical powers, it could be in steps of 0.25 and 0.12. You can set up in any way. Axis step is in 5 and 1. Vertical distance, vertex distance, it is 0, 10, 12, 13.5 and 15. Custom, we have IOL mode and FL or CL mode. Cylindrical powers could be measured in minus, plus or minus. Start, it can measure in auto quick mode, auto mode and manual mode. Refraction could be normal, quick. It can take 3 measurements at one time. You can set up in any mode. Print, if you want, all powers could be printed. Economy printing is also there, or you can switch off the machine for printing purpose. Data screen, off on is there. Auto print, on off. Reliability, off on. Pupil size, off on. Finally, you press the OK button, the machine is set. Now, we are going to the setup of the setting contents. The first one is SE, that is spherical equivalent. It could be set into off or on. Next one is working distance, which could be set in 4 options. One is off, one is 30 centimeters, the next is 40 and 50 centimeters. Target the patient sees could be set in bright mode or middle mode or in dark mode. Then brightness could be adjusted. Then next is save could be adjusted in terms of minutes. That is, the machine could be set to switch off in 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or could be switched off straight away. On all these 4 modes, the machine could be set up. Buzzer sound, if you want it on or off, could also be set. Option, number of the patients, that is the language you want, and customize, that is possible. Date form, year, month, date, or date, month, year, or month, date, year, anything could be set. Message could be set on or off. Default setting is there as per the manufacturing factory setups. And finally, setting contents is finished once you press the OK switch. Yes, now the demonstration of the machine is underway. The patient is ready and the user is ready. The patient now will place his chin on the chin rest so that his forehead touches the top of the chin rest. Exactly. Now the user, by adjusting the joystick, moves the machine up and down. Up and down, left right movement also could be regulated by using the joystick. To left, to right, to focus. On the monitor, you will be seeing a small dot, which he will try to focus, get it to the center of that rectangle or circle, whatever he sees on the monitor, and see it as sharply as possible. Once the dot appears sharply, the readings will appear on the screen. Now the readings are on. Now he is giving the print command. The printout is coming out. He is pulling out the printout, and the printout is ready for prescription. And now the data from the machine is being transferred to the system, which process could be